Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to increase playback speed on Amazon Prime Video. Alright, let's begin. This method works on a PC using a web browser that supports Chrome extensions. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. You can do that by accessing the Extensions menu and then clicking on Chrome Web Store located on the left side. In the search bar, type Video Speed Controller for Web and find the extension. Click on it. Then select Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Now, open Amazon Prime Video, choose any movie or TV show, and start playing it. Next, click on the extension icon at the top right corner and then turn it on. Then you can just press the D key 2 times to increase the speed and press the S key 2 times to decrease the speed. This allows you to watch content at double speed or any custom speed you prefer. If you want to return to normal speed, simply adjust the extension settings again. So that's basically how you can increase playback speed on Amazon Prime Video. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.